Hello everyone, my name is Yasha from Dreamvision Creations, and today's really quick video we're going to go over the 3 different types of eye screen that we offer in our web store. So I have them all laid out here, and I do have the labels on the side screen here. The first one is Chiffon, the second one we offer is Skull Eye Screen, and the third one is Toon Eye Screen. I'm going to basically go over the pros and cons of each one of these types of eye screens. I will say the pro between all 3 of them is that yes, you can see very easily through them, and you can actually read books with these eye screens and placed in your mask, either it being a toony, skull, or realistic. I'm going to go from the clearest screen. I'm just going to basically go in order here, 1, 2, 3. The first one is our Chiffon, which is the very first eye screen that we actually started offering in DvC. It's the one we use for our realistic heads. It actually comes in a 4x8 piece here, and you only use a little small piece of this for a resin mask. So usually about, I would say about this much right here. It's all you need for one side of a resin blank, because I do tend to keep the eye ports very small. As you can see, it's extremely transparent, so it works really, really well with the darkness of the inside of the mask to help hide your eyes. And it makes it for easy wear, essentially, especially if anybody gets claustrophobic. The only con to this eye mesh is that you cannot paint it, so black is really the only option we have for this one. I've tried airbrushing it, and I have not tried spray paint yet, but airbrushing doesn't seem to stick to it because just the type of follicles it's made out of. The second type of eye screen that we offer is the skull eye screen. This is really good for those who don't want their eyes to be seen, especially because our skulls are very wide and open and tend to be very close to your face. So this works, again, well for our skull heads. You can also use it for toony eyes if you want to. The only drawback to this one as well is, again, does not take paint very well. I have not tried spray paint, but I have tried acrylics with this one, and it kind of lightly tints it, but it doesn't give you that really bright eye that you really want with like a toony type mask. But you can use this for either the skull type heads, or you can use this for the realistic heads. Again, if you have a solid black toony eye, it can also work for that. But just to show you, it does tint a little bit, but again, you can still see very clearly. And this one's a 5x10 piece of fabric. The third mesh that we offer is the toony eye mesh. So this one is, well, it's a lot nicer than buckram. I have used buckram before. It's one of the more traditional type materials for using for toony eyes, and masks in general. But with this one, it will not warp on you. It's washable, and it's fully paintable. It takes acrylic paints very, very well. It's very sturdy, and it's very easy to use. This one comes in a 5x5 sheet, and you can still see very well. It's a bit more textured than the other two because the holes are bigger and the material's thicker. But yeah, it works really, really good for painting. You can, again, use any kind of acrylic paint. You can use spray paints with it. The paints are very, very bright. I will be doing another tutorial in the future going over actually painting this eye mesh and different ways you can do a super like anime toony style, a realistic paint style, and kind of a blend between the both. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, that's the 3 types that we offer so far. If there's anything that I may have missed, please shoot us a comment below or send us an email at questions@dreamvisioncreations.com or flurry@dreamvisioncreations.com. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and we plan to do more in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye!